Recording.
Recon. Marine Corps.
Marine Corps, huh?
Am I in camera? Am I in camera? I want to be in camera.
You are.
Hey, they look like twins, you know, all Asians look alike, you know?
What can I say? We look good. We just look that good.
We will win the war because we have Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan.
Wind me up.
Oh, here he comes.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, look at that big gun I'm gunning for.
We're gonna shoot that tonight, probably. And
You just missed the windup. Come on. Look, I got a big fan right here. Come on. I want to see the windup.
wind King up. Wind King up real quick.
No, you can't.
King, you're getting wound up. Wind him up.
No, I can't get wound up. You better do He's like, come on, dude. I already got wound up. It's alright. You spring snap.
Do the Michael Jackson. Hey.
Hey!
Oh, you forgot to grab your crotch.
No, it was
You knocked me off of my feet. There's our home. Wind him up.
Wind him up. He doesn't shower all the time. Going home in 5 days. Look.
Hey, I got news. This is 2. That's 5.
Oh, that's peace.
Oh, okay.
In the Middle East.
Hey,
Peace in the Middle East.
Farnham, zooming in on Farnham. Sergeant Bell.
Oh, Daorang.
That's good length.
I did a little diary, video diary earlier, like for like 20 minutes, just sat in the truck talking to the camera.
I know.
It's good. It's good.
You should tell them about how much this place sucks.
No, I didn't. I told him how I was a wild tiger.
You should tell them about how it's fucking the 9th of May. Yeah, May. It's 106 motherfucking degrees.
108 today. Tomorrow's 112.
My bad. 12.
Oh man, I'm fucking sore. I was lifting all day.
It was 108 today, and tomorrow will be 112.
How hot is that?
Cameraman's getting wound up.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Robert, come here! Come here! Come here! Shaka Khan. Shamiqua. Who's Shamiqua? Where's Shamiqua? D didn't put it out. Did you film the puppies yet, D?
No, not yet. Let's go film it.
Did you tell your parents how we cooked the dog the other day?
That was dog?
Yeah.
It tasted mighty good.
Wasn't a Hot Pocket.
Grumpy.
Fucking, alright, well we're going on a mission now, so we gotta say goodbye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye family, see you in how long?
5 days.
See you in 5 days.
5 days.
When you see this, you're gonna be so happy.